Alaska, and our first stop is going to be Uranus. No shit, it's going to be Uranus. In a long list of things that you just can't make up, we are going to Uranus. Originally, Uranus, before the owner, now mayor, decided to incorporate the buildings in this roadside attraction along Route 66, decided that he was drinking and decided that, well, we should just name. So what was originally a roadside attraction along Route 66, now Interstate 44, and a strip club named Captain Poopy's, because apparently this guy's got a thing for number 2. So we're going to hit the interstate very briefly on our way to Uranus. I do not want to make this trip about hitting interstates and the easy way to get here. yes, I think I want to get my fudge pack today. All right. So just pulled out of Uranus. Gonna have fudge. Got my fudge packed in Uranus. So we'll try that later. See what. So Uranus, Missouri is actually a town. You can find on the map. It's really a roadside attraction. It was originally Captain Poopy's. Again, no shit. Captain Poopy's was a strip club outside of Fort Leonard Wood, Missouri. Since he owns all the buildings in the business, and he incorporated it into a township, named it Uranus, he's the only resident of Uranus. And honestly, I don't think you need that many people in Uranus. One is enough. So a little about me. I'm an old Army flight medic. I left the service after 14 years of active duty due to an injury. And as injuries have caught up with me, I got my bachelor's of science in nursing. I was a nurse. I've worked in critical care, charge nurse, hospice. I was doing hospice admissions. I was director of nursing for a brief bit, and this caught up with me, so I've retired, and I am hitting the road to enjoy this part of my life. I have 2 daughters that are grown. Traveling to Alaska, and we're going to stay off the interstates as much as I can. I love being on dirt roads, so I'm heading to Dodge City, Kansas before we turn. That's west, not exactly north, but there's a plan.